In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a website audit in Semrush in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and ensure you're getting the most out of your site with a quick yet thorough audit. To start your website audit, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Semrush. If you don't have an account, don't worry. You can simply sign up by following the easy prompts. If you're already a user, just log in as usual. Once you're inside Semrush, navigate over to the Projects section. This is where all the magic happens. Now, if you haven't set up a project for your domain yet, this is the moment to do so. Go ahead and add your domain name along with a catchy project name that will help you easily identify it later on. After you've created your project, you're going to need to locate the Site Audit tool. You can find it right there in your project dashboard or access it conveniently from the left-hand menu. It's straightforward and right at your fingertips. Next up, it's time to configure your audit settings. Here's where you can choose your crawl scope, customize the crawler settings to your needs, and set up a schedule that fits your workflow. This allows Semrush to perform audits at intervals that you find most beneficial, providing continuous feedback on your site's performance. Once you've configured everything to your liking, go ahead and click Start Site Audit. Semrush will now begin crawling your website, gathering all the necessary data. This process is both comprehensive and efficient, ensuring no crucial details are missed. When the crawling is completed, Semrush generates an in-depth site audit report. This report provides an insightful overview of your site's health, complete with a score out of 100. It categorizes any identified issues into errors, warnings, and notices. This categorization helps you prioritize what requires immediate attention and what can wait. Addressing the identified issues systematically is key to optimizing your site. Start with the errors, as these are typically the most critical. Once they're resolved, move on to warnings, and finally, address any remaining notices. To monitor your progress, use the Progress page where Semrush displays the number of errors, warnings, and notices in a handy graph view. This visual representation helps you track improvements over time and spot any recurring issues quickly. And there you have it, a complete website audit using Semrush in just 5 minutes. By following these steps, you ensure your site is performing optimally, offering a seamless user experience and meeting your business goals effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and happy auditing.